I'll take you anywhere. Just tell me I'll be there.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in Beaurivage, New-Brunswick, Canada. Life often goes by fast, but spending time with family to enjoy the calm and beauty of nature is always time well spent. Today, I'm going on a boat tour with Phoca Tours. The goal? To discover the beauty of the Kouchibouguac River and to go seal watching. At least we hope. Let's get on board. The tour is guided by local experts who know this river and its wildlife very well. They'll bring us to the best places to observe seals in their natural habitat.
Find what I'm seeking, leave my troubles behind.
Et l'arrière ici de la carapace. Ils ont une mesure comme celle-là. Ils vont faire ça, c'est bon, on le garde.
The Kouchibouguac River winds through sand dunes, salt marshes, and forests. It's a protected ecosystem, home of many bird species, of course, and the famous gray seals and harbor seals. This is all in Kouchibouguac National Park, or at least at the border of it.
We don't need a plan, I like it unprepared. Whatever comes our way, we'll stay there for the day. So dream.
We're getting closer to the sandbars, and if we're lucky, we'll see some seals. Here they are. These are harbor seals, also called common seals. They love to rest on the sandbars at low tide. They look curious, but a little shy. The guys always make sure we keep a safe distance so we don't disturb them. Hey, did you know seals can hold their breath up to 30 minutes and dive as deep as 200 meters? Many facts like that are spoken and explained to us by our guides. What a magical experience. It's not every day you get to see seals in their natural environment like this. The landscapes of the Kouchibouguac National Park are just breathtaking. We saw a beautiful marina that can hold up to 33 boats. That's it for today's adventure with Phoca Tours on the Kouchibouguac River. If you're visiting New Brunswick, I highly recommend this experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. See you next time!